Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching my last video. I hope that you have enjoyed watching my previous video and thank you so much for coming back to this video. Hi, today we are talking about something very important and it's very interesting and the topic is money. It's my favorite topic and as a 23 years old, you should know about these things. So yeah, let's start. So, in this video, we will be talking about 10 basic things about money that each and everyone should know. And the first topic is budgeting. Yes, so first topic is start budgeting now, which means you have to know where your money goes. This means that you should control your money instead money controls you. First thing is you have to understand what is budgeting. So you have to start budgeting now. Budgeting helps you control your money. So इसका मतलब ये है कि you should know where your money goes. So instead of money controls you, you have to control your own money. Second thing is you have to track every rupees. So here what I mean to explain is that you can't manage what you can't control. So keep a habit of noting down everything so that you can remember what amount of money you are earning and what amount of money you are spending. Note, awareness is equals to better money control. This is very deep but it has a big meaning. So you have to understand. Third thing is that you have to make a habit of building an emergency fund जिससे आपको हेल्प होगी. जैसे कोई भी इमरजेंसी सिचुएशंस के लिए आपको अगर पैसों की ज़रूरत हो तो आप ये पैसे यूज़ कर सकते हो. भले ही आप छोटी अमाउंट से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो बट स्टार्ट करो. क्रिएटिंग इमरजेंसी फंड्स गिव्स यू अ पीस ऑफ माइंड जिसका मतलब है कि इसे आपको तब तक टच नहीं करना है जब तक आपको इसकी सच में ज़रूरत ना पड़े. फोर्थ, अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्पेंडिंग्स ऑफ डेबिट कार्ड एंड क्रेडिट कार्ड्स. We all know that credit cards are good to use, but it's dangerous if you misused. क्रेडिट कार्ड से वो चीज़ें ना खरीदे जिससे आप फुल पेमेंट ना कर सके इन फ्यू मंथ्स. सो थिंक ट्वाइस बिफोर स्पेंडिंग थ्रू योर क्रेडिट कार्ड्स बिकॉज इंटरेस्ट इसका बहुत भारी होता है. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर यू हैव टू अवॉइड द मिनिमम पेमेंट. यू हैव टू ऑलवेज मेक द पेमेंट ऑफ द आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट. Fifth thing is you have to start saving early. The early you start, the more benefit you get. And always remember कि आपको पहले इन्वेस्ट करना है ना कि बचे हुए पैसे. इसका मतलब ये है कि जैसे ही आपको आपकी सैलरी आती है तो आपको पहले डिसाइड करना है कि इतना इतना पोर्शन आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है. आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि इतना बच जाएगा तो ही मैं इन्वेस्ट करूँगा. ऐसे आपको नहीं सोचना है. जैसे ही आपको आपकी सैलरी मिलती है आपको पोर्शन डिसाइड करके उसको ऑटोमेटेड टाइप से सेविंग्स करना है. जैसे एसआईपी हो या कोई भी आपकी मनपसंद इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को सिलेक्ट करके आपको उसमें इन्वेस्ट करना है. Saving builds our discipline and security. Always remember you have to pay first yourself. Sixth thing is you have to know the power of investing. Don't just save your money, you have to grow your money as well. So instead of keeping it in your savings account, you have to invest in instruments like SIP, recurring deposit, or FD, whatever you like. Investing beats saving in the long run. Always remember. So you can, invest in low risk investments, low risk options like PPF or index fund, and forget it. Let the time and interest work for you. Seventh thing is avoid lifestyle inflation. इसका मतलब ये है कि you have to avoid unnecessary spending on unnecessary things like doing impulse shopping, spending your money in clubs, and unnecessary people like for someone unnecessary peoples are their boyfriend. So you have to think before spending money. Avoiding these things will really help you build your own wealth, not in the big numbers, but something which will help you as a person. 8 point, becoming financial independent is this means you have to learn to manage your own bills like groceries, renting, and your expense as well, not to depend on your parents because now you are grown up and you are 23 years old. So being independent will really, make you learn new things about the money, and this will really gives you freedom, and along with that you will learn to be responsible. Being financial independence will give you freedom, and not to forget that freedom comes from responsibility. It also builds confidence, and it's a lifelong skill that you have learned by yourself. Start taking charge of your own financial life today itself. Ninth point, say no to pressure spending. इसका मतलब ये है कि not every trend or not every outing needs your money. It's sometimes it's okay to skip expensive plans and prioritize yourself. Choose financial peace over impressing others. And remember, true friend will always understand and they will never force you for these things. You don't need to match their lifestyle as well, and you have to think about yourself. So always remember you have to say no to the such things which are not for you and which is draining you and which is not good for your pocket. 10th point, and it's our last point but not least point. So keep learning about money. We all know and we are aware that our school don't teach us about finance, but remember, our life will always teach you. So always keep reading about finance book or self-help book which will help you understand about money more than talking to your colleagues or friends. Listen to money podcast in your free time, because it will really help to understand. क्योंकि अगर हम दूसरों के एक्सपीरियंस सुनते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में वो चीज़ें रह जाती है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ रीडिंग से हेल्प नहीं होगी, किसी को सुनना भी ज़रूरी है और समझना भी ज़रूरी है. The more you learn, the better decision you make. So keep reading, keep listening, keep watching videos in which people talks about money, and that will really help you. Money habits built now will always be forever with you. So you have to always remember you have to create this habit to help yourself. Stay aware, stay curious, and stay rich in knowledge. Yeah, that's all. And myself, Sushmita, signing off. Sayonara. Bye. And yeah, one more thing. I'm not a expert in managing money. The things which I have shared in this video, these are my own experience, and this is how I, manage my own money. And to be very honest, uh, जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स है, माई फैमिली, दे नो दैट आई डोंट स्पेंड unnecessary मेरे पैसे on unnecessary things. So I really proud of myself in this thing, that I avoid all these things, and I am on the way to build my wealth, and these are the habits which I got from my father and mother. So yeah, stay tuned. See you in my next video. Bye. Till that, subscribe to my channel, like, and comment your favorite thing about money, and I will be replying to your comment. Bye. Bye.